Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
This video shows how to set up WSL on Windows step by step. You need Windows 10 version 2004 or later with build 19041 or higher. Open an elevated PowerShell or Command Prompt as administrator to run commands. Ensure virtualization is enabled in firmware and the virtual machine platform feature is on. WSL2 requires a Linux kernel package and the optional WSL components installed. I will explain both the single command install and the manual setup path. To install quickly, open an elevated PowerShell and run WSL install. This single command installs the WSL platform, the latest kernel, and a default distro. After installation, choose a distro such as Ubuntu 22.04 when prompted. Reboot the PC if the installer requests a restart to finalize changes. If you prefer WSL2 specifically, run WSL set default version 2 before installing a distro. That ensures the distro uses the WSL for manual setup. Enable required features using DISM or settings for optional components. Run DISM/online/enable feature name, virtual machine platform /all and then enable Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux. Next, download the WSL2 Linux kernel update package from Microsoft if prompted during installation. Install a specific distro by running WSL install d Ubuntu 22.04 or use WSL list online to pick another distro. Update WSL components with WSL update and convert an existing distro with WSL set version distro 2 when ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.